Hello and welcome to this brand new interview series of FlexiFunnel Ambassador. FlexiFunnel Ambassador is a term that we have rolled out for people who have achieved a minimum mark of 50,000 rupees using the platform of FlexiFunnels. I am Tanya Verma from Team FlexiFunnels, and here we bring to you an inspiring success story of people who have started their online journey using FlexiFunnels and are now finally living their dream of generating massive results online. And again, for today's interview, we have a new ambassador, new story, and new business numbers that you can also achieve for yourself using FlexiFunnels. So, for today's interview, we have Shubham Chaudhari with us. And thank you for being on this interview, Shubham. Our audience are keenly waiting to listen to your FlexiFunnels ambassador success journey. So, please start by introducing yourself.
Okay, so myself Shubham Chaudhari, and I am using FlexiFunnels since 1 year now. Like I was a beta user, and I'm someone who helps businesses like coaches and other local businesses to generate sales appointments or leads for their business. And I'm doing this since past 1.5 year now.
All right. Okay, that
Yeah.
is great. That is a like I would say it's a good success that you have achieved in a very quick amount of time. So before using FlexiFunnels, what has been your journey like in the online world, and what specifically were the things that hindered your growth?
Okay, so before using FlexiFunnels, I was using 10 different things to run an successful online business. So if I had a client who is coach, so I had to build his web pages, and then I had to like go for another CRMs and other like designs. I have to build it from scratch, and everything was very like I used to put in like 3 to 4 hours to just to build one single page, and which is not actually designed optimized in that way. So after using FlexiFunnels, the drag and drop system of FlexiFunnels helped me a lot because I'm not that much great with technicalities. So FlexiFunnels that friendly thing was very like keen to like it helped me a lot to build pages which are very attractive in terms of designs, and then talking about speed and stuff, and then FlexiFunnels helped to integrate all the things at one place. So like before I used to work 3 to 4 hours to build two pages. Now I just make it in 1 hour, more less than 1 hour. So that has really transformed the work balance in my life.
Okay, that is very nice. Things have become quite quick
Quick,
compared to
yeah,
the previous things that you were using, right?
right,
Okay, so that was my next question for the interview, that how FlexiFunnels have transformed your business growth. And if you can share specific numbers that you have achieved after becoming after onboarding with the FlexiFunnels, our audience will be much able to relate what kind of success is actually possible and in what quick amount of time it's possible with FlexiFunnels.
right. So like just like I said that I used to build funnels and landing pages. So using FlexiFunnels, I helped one client to book appointments for his business. He was a fitness trainer. So I designed his appointment booking funnel so that anyone comes on his page, he books appointment with him. And within 15 days of launching the ads, I was able to generate him 15 to 20 appointments, and he closed around 2 to 3 appointments out of them. So it was straight 93,000 rupees of revenue in within 15 days. And until now we have crossed more than $10,000, so around $10,000. So that was the success we created for my client. So actually a lot of revenue generation helped FlexiFunnel helped a lot of revenue generation for him, because at earlier he wasn't even making money that he was investing in his ads. So that was totally the transformation we brought him.
Okay, that is nice. So, definitely your client also would now be a fan of FlexiFunnels.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah,
Yeah, he is.
I can infer that from this particular story. That is nice. So, like with FlexiFunnels in future now, how do you plan to scale your business?
Okay. So, like just like I'm working with coaches, so I feel the membership sites of FlexiFunnels are very easy to build compared to other funnel builders. So my goal is to completely help maximum business owners out there in market and help them to generate a proper, create a proper system for their business at a single particular funnel builder. So it would be very easy for them to handle things. And my complete goal about my business is just to help other businesses to run profitability.
Okay.
So I'm just working with 5 to 6 businesses right now, and all of their funnels are built in FlexiFunnels.
Okay, okay, that is nice. So you are currently working with five to six clients, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So do you have someone to help you, like you're working with someone on a team, or single-handedly you're handling all these clients?
No, we are working with like a team. We have 2 to 3 guys who are working with me.
Okay, that is nice. Okay, that was a great interview, and it was a brilliant conversation to know about how you are planning to scale your business with FlexiFunnels. I wish you all the best for all the big numbers that you are about to hit in future with FlexiFunnels.
Thank you.
And like before wrapping up, I would like to ask if you have any last message to convey to our audience. It would be great.
Okay, so like I have seen that all the business owners and even the newbies who are just starting their online journey, they tend to search things that are cheap at price. So let's say if I'm looking for a software, so I will just check the cheapest option. But as per my experience of 1.5 years now, that's not how you should go. To look at the things when you are doing business, go for best tools and best softwares. So instead of seeing which is the cheapest one, go for the best one. And I would recommend everyone to use FlexiFunnels, because even a beginner who don't know anything of this online journey, online marketing, he can use FlexiFunnels for 15 to 20 days. And the worst case scenario is he can definitely earn 20 to 30,000 by selling few digital products. So that is the change they are going to see. So I would recommend that go for quality instead of just cheap options and stuff.
Right. And this particular message of yours reminds me of Saurabh sir message, as he says that to become a six-figure marketer, you need to think like a six-figure marketer, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is my opinion as well, that cheap options does not last long. They might lead
Yes.
to short-term success, but or short-term happiness maybe, but in longer
Right.
run, they won't support you much. Okay. Anyway, it was definitely having you was a brilliant experience for me on this interview, Shubham, and
Thank you.
thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.
Yeah. Thank you.